Well, let's talk a little weather. Maybe we can find a little sunshine. It sounds like, Adam, we have to wait a few days. I know we're just kicking off the work week here, but I'm already looking ahead to the reasons for more, already looking ahead to the weekend for more reasons than one.
I mean, it makes sense.
Monday.
Yesterday was so nice, so we want a lot more days like that to be able to dry out. And we do have our next round of rain coming in, which it is going to provide a good punch of rain. Now, it's not going to be quite as much as last time, what we saw late last week, where we had the widespread flooding. But another atmospheric river heading its way northward. This probably won't be quite as direct of a hit as the last one was, but some minor flooding. Don't think we're going to see the interstate again covered by water. But with some of the higher snow levels comes warmer air, and more moisture is being able to be held with some of that warmer air as it comes in. So here we are going into tomorrow, Wednesday, even for the remainder of the week. Snow levels all the way up to around 5,000, maybe even as high as 8,000 feet. Next 3 days going to be pivotal, though, because that's when we have the active weather coming on through. And some stronger winds out ahead of the system as it comes in. So tonight through 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, we have a wind advisory in effect for the tan shaded areas where we're going across the north coast, parts of the northern coast of the Olympic Peninsula, getting closer to Sequim around Discovery Bay, and then some of the islands and going up across more of northern interior as well, where we could have gusts up to about 50 miles per hour. Flood watch out. Again, we do have rain coming through, and it is going to be heavy this go around too at times. Not going to be more of a consistent rain like what we had last time, especially as you go farther south across more of Lewis and Thurston counties. But this will start up as we go later into the night, and that's going to last for the next few days heading into late Thursday morning. Areas where you see in the dark shaded green where we could have some pockets of flooding. And then we do have one current flood warning that is in effect. That's the Chehalis River out at Porter. Westport right now. Clouds in place, waves starting to crash a little more. We do have a little more of that wind starting to pick up there. Right now in Seattle, 46 degrees and north wind coming in at 3 miles per hour. The skies pretty cloudy, but still a nice evening. You can see behind the graphic there as we head out into Seattle. 43 in Bremerton, 42 in Tacoma, 50. A lot more of those showing up in Hope Harbor and across a lot of western Washington. The rain chances are going to be really light. And again, pretty few in nature as we go into the first part of the night. Right now, seeing some of those just north of Seattle, heading up across I-5, seeing some of that as well. And then again, generally going to be a few light sprinkles, maybe a light shower or here or there as we go into the next few hours. But it's out across the ocean that we have that next wave starting to really come together, and that's what's going to be hitting us as we go later into the night. Generally directed, it looks like, across more of the northern coast of the Olympic Peninsula, while areas closer to Seattle and southward probably won't be hit by a whole lot for tonight. On into early tomorrow morning, we'll start to see some of that fill in across parts of South Sound, and then the same areas that get hit last time, they do have a period where some of that rain will come on through, but it's not going to be quite as long-lived. And again, it hits farther to the north as we go on into not only just tomorrow night, but also into early Wednesday, as that will start to head on out of here. Then another wave will come on through by Thursday before we're starting to see things quiet on down. Now, amounts for Chehalis getting closer to Olympia last time, we were pushing 2 to 3 inches in just one day. With this system going all the way through Thursday morning at 7 a.m., possibly a third of an inch at most, getting closer to Chehalis, around 2 inches in Olympia. Most of it will be directed a little farther to the north, going across more of Quileute and Forks, and then a lot more of it going across Vancouver Island up into British Columbia. 52 for a high for tomorrow. We'll top off in the 50s for the next couple of days. Then here comes that stretch of dry weather. A lot more sunshine to come as well as we head into Friday through Monday.